Hi family, glad you're watching again. In this point of the video, let's solve this subtraction problem. 72 minus 17. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 2 minus 7. But I can't do it because 2 is smaller than 7. So we must borrow. You go to the 7 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 2 becomes 12 and 7 becomes 6. Now we have 12 minus 7, which equals 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Write 5 in the tens place. So 72 minus 17 equals 55. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and share.